Hello again. Now we're in this section where it says organize objects. So we are going to change object properties, alter layer assignments, and control layer visibility. Let's start with change object properties. We'll focus strictly on that and then come back for the others. So changing an object's properties. First, to get to the properties, you have to have the object selected, and then you right click, and there's two different properties you can open and change. One is quick properties, so I can go in here and change the color. I can change the layer assignment, by which layer it's on. I can change the line type. Okay, and of course if I had already loaded some other line types up here, that's kind of an advanced topic, I guess, but you would actually see more line types in here if I had used them already. But for right now, just note that's where you would do it at. Global width, I've never had anyone ask me that one. And then closed, yes. So if you have the object is, let's say, not a complete enclosed or closed loop, let's say it's one of these, okay, like that, and we'll select all of that, right click, quick properties, length varies. Well, I thought it would actually let me do that. Well, it won't let me close it. Okay, well, never mind. Okay, maybe I can delete that out of the video. But anyway, going back to that, quick properties, closed, yes, no, and basically it takes the last line out of that shape. I don't find that is very useful, but anyway. Next properties that you can use is the regular properties, where you get the full properties panel right here, and you can change a lot of the same stuff that we talked about in the other one. You can also change Vertex. I can change this. Now here it's only going to change this vertex right here for some reason, unless maybe this one will allow me to change whichever one I'm working with. I don't know. Anyway, so I can change that vertex to 20, hit enter, and as you see, it moved. Okay. Same with vertex Y. I can change that and it'll move again. Make it 15. Okay. And basically it's relative to where it was and moving at 15 in either the X or the Y direction. Stretch that back out. And let's see, what else do we have here? We have area. You can't really change the area. You can change things like your end segment, your global width, and your elevation, and things like that, all of which pretty much are not applicable to just this one little drawing here. But those are the things that you can adjust and that you can change inside of this box. You can also, I think I already did that, you can change the layers. Yes, I did say layers. I was trying to dig for something else there to go over with that, make sure I got it all. But anyway, let me go back here, and we're going to add or alter layer assignments. I showed you that already. Two ways of doing that. Again, with properties. I can't remember, quick properties. Yes, quick properties has it. You can put it on a different layer, which is layer 2, and then it will adopt that layer's properties. Let's put it back on 0, and you can also change it in the regular, the other properties box that I showed you a moment ago, the real properties box, and change it right there. Another way to do it is to, if you have it selected, you go to layer properties, or no, it's not layer properties. Close that. Okay. You can go here, but you have to have it selected first. Select it, go to this little drop down and click on that, And now I just changed it to layer 2. It's now on layer 2. So if I click on it again, it's going to tell me that it's on layer 2. So that's the other way of changing those things. And that may be it. Color or control layer visibility. That's real easy. Let's say layer 2. I'll put this shape on layer 2. So I'll go to layer 2, or I can pull this open and I can click here to turn that layer off. And I can click here to freeze it. Okay, don't ask me what the difference is between the two. So either off or frozen, one of the two. And I can also lock it. So I can lock the layer. Nobody can do anything to that. Okay, open that back up. So that takes care of organizing objects. And let's see, was there another way to control visibility? Let's see, line color, transparency. Okay, transparency is another way. Let's go back here to 2. Transparency value, let's just say 50, see what happens. There, it sort of dimmed out just a little bit. So right here is another area, or another place you can change the transparency. So that's it. Next, we're going to go to reuse existing content. Basically, we're going to be inserting blocks. And that's pretty simple.